Here is the 2014 to 2018 Kia Forte. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the video. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and open the driver's side door. Right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Kia emblem there, put one finger in there and then push it left like that. While you're pushing it left, lift up the hood. This hood requires a prop rod to keep it in place, so grab the rod and put it in that slot over there with the arrow marking it. Then slide it left and let it go. Now once the hood is open, that right over there, the black box, that's where the engine air filter is. We need to get that cover off. For that, first off, get that one clip off. Just grab the clip and pull it back. Then the second clip over there, same process, just grab it and pull it back. Now you see there are two tabs over there that go in the slots over there. One over there and the second one over there. We need to slide the cover out of it. So lift up the cover a little bit and then pull it out, like wiggle it and slide it out. Make sure both the sides are out. That is looking good. Now we can lift up the entire cover, and that's the filter right over there. Just grab the filter and lift it up and out it comes. Let's take a closer look at it. The bottom of the filter, that's where the outside air comes in from. All the dirt gets trapped over there. And the top side is the clean side, so that's where the clean air goes into the engine from. As you can see, it's clean, even though this is a used filter. When you get the new filter, make sure it's the exact size as the existing one. Let's go ahead, get the new filter. And before you put the filter in, if you want, you can sort of vacuum clean that area over there. Up to you. There's gonna be some leaves and debris and stuff like that. You don't have to, but it's just nice to do it. So get the new filter, put it in there. Everything's looking good. It should just drop right in. Now let's put the cover back on. And it's the exact same process in reverse. You have to first make sure there's two tabs over there. They slide in the slots. And so push it down first and then sort of push it in. Yep, that is good. And make sure the tabs are in for both the sides. Without doing this properly, you will not be able to put the clips back on. Right, so make sure the tabs are in the slots. Then just put the clips back on. 1 and 2. That's pretty much it. See how easy the whole process was? It only took us about 2 minutes. And that's it. I hope you found it useful. First you have to push the hood. Take load off the prop rod. Slide it right and get it out of there. Put it back in its place. Lower the hood and then slam it shut. Hope you found it useful.